is going on, guys? It is another beautiful day out. I had plans of bringing out more RCs, but something broke and didn't quite work out. But for all those Nitro fans, this is going to be a video for you. For all those that follow along, you probably know the main content is RC rock bouncing, but my true heart, where it lies, is Nitro RCs. I've been in Nitro RCs since I literally got into RCs, and they took over my life for a very long time. I only recently got into electric and brushless stuff, mainly because of the rock bouncing and crawling and stuff. So yeah, we're going back to my roots today. Two out today, one being my Losi 8 Truggy, and the other is its first time on the channel, actually. I believe this is going to be the first video where it actually starts up and runs. This is my OG Savage. I call it my OG Savage because I've had it over 16 years. I got it when I was about 15, 16, and I just turned 33, so I've had it for quite a while. It hasn't always looked like this. Take the body off, give you guys a closer look. Obviously it has a lot of fast lane machine parts on there. Didn't always have that, but this is the RC that I absolutely refuse to sell and get rid of for any reason. It's a lot of memories mainly with it, and yeah, I just have never gotten rid of it. So if you got one of those RCs that you absolutely refuse to get rid of no matter what, let me know in the comments. But this is all freshly rebuilt over the winter, and obviously brand new LRP in there, all ready to be broken in. You got some fuel, so I'm just going to be breaking that in. Well, starting to. I'm not going to go through the whole break-in process, that's boring. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I am breaking it in, so you will be seeing more of it on the channel. And the one that we're actually running today is my Losi 8 with a big block Nova Rossi and my JP pipe. It's a little dusty from ripping around my super dusty yard. We got some big freaking ruts out here from all the water going through my yard, so I'm probably going to try to stay in my front yard for the most part. It's a little too low to be smashing off some of those boulders down there. But yeah, so we're probably going to play with that for a little bit and then break that in. So my other Savage, well, one of many Savages, the other one that I was going to start up today is my Shelf Queen. It's not really a Shelf Queen, but it spent most of its life on the shelf. It is a all original Savage 25 with a pretty mint body. It doesn't have any cracks in it, unlike all my other ones. So it was really nice, and I've kept it really nice for a long time, but it's time to take it off the shelf. But the stupid servo horn, where it has the little metal piece that makes it flex, yeah, I lost that. So I don't have a throttle servo for my Savage 25, so I gotta get one of those out of all the parts I have for my Savage. I don't have one. But yeah, so there's a couple more Savages. We got my original Basher. If you go back on my channel, it had a orange or red body on it, and I sent it absolutely flying. There's actually nothing wrong with it. I got a motor sitting in there, but yeah, I'm missing some parts and ambition to finish another Savage. I already have 4 going. This is most likely going to turn into another project. Not like the Sandrail, not like the Savage Sandrail, but a little different. Still kind of down the same road. You see we got more projects. You guys probably recognize that, collecting dust. But yeah, we're going to start ripping around instead of talking. Man, that thing sounds mean. forgot how quick this thing is. It is super responsive. Trying not to kick up a bunch of dust on my neighbors. That didn't really work, but oh, I love how responsive this thing is. Burning some 30% nitro with some Sidewinder fuel. Loving it. Oh my God, this thing is quick. Trying to go easy on the dust. And it's fairly warm. Alright, I guess we'll go take one rip across the yard. It's gonna throw up a bunch of dust. There we go. Man, that thing is quick. It's so quick. I love it. Wow. Holy crap. I think it's warmed up. It's kicking up rocks everywhere. Man, I hate my driveway. Is it seriously trying to do a wheelie? Definitely one of my favorite truggies. Losi 8T. This is one of the older ones too. It's not one of the newer ones that just came out, in case you were wondering. Alright, I guess we're gonna get this thing all primed up and at least run a tank through it. I want to hear it start up for the first time. Finally. It's been so long. Alright, here we go. First startup of the brand new LRP. Nitro fans enjoyed. We got plenty more content coming. As you see, we're still breaking it in. Got a couple tanks through it, so we're going to keep breaking it in, and hopefully you'll see that more on the channel. Till next time, have a good one, everybody.